Hello students, this is Sandeep sir here. Okay, in this video, I am going to explain corrosion and rancidity. Okay, now let's start children. Effect of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Corrosion and rancidity. Okay, these are the process which we observe in day-to-day life. How we observe these children, we'll see this in this video. Corrosion, the process of slow conversion of metal into their undesirable compounds due to their reaction with oxygen, water, acids, gases, etc. present in the atmosphere is called corrosion. Example, children, rusting of iron. You have seen, okay, whenever iron react with the oxygen, hydrogen, okay, it gives you water, brown substance which is obtained on the iron article, that is hydrated ferric oxide Fe2O3.XH2O, or rust we say children. Okay, rusting iron when reacts with oxygen and moisture forms red substance which is called rust. These children, we cannot observe this rusting in one day, 2 day, 1 week. It will take a few weeks to few months. Okay, for rusting of iron. So the chemical equation you should remember, children. 4Fe, that is iron, react with 3O2 plus H2O. It gives you 2Fe2O3.XH2O. This is hydrated ferric oxide. The last will also practice these equations, children. Okay, see, the rusting of iron is a redox reaction. Corrosion, that is rusting, weakens the iron and steel objects and structures such as railings, car bodies, bridges, ships, etc., and cuts short their life. This is very, very important, children. You should know. Okay, a lot of property damage is happening because of corrosion. How can we prevent corrosion, children? Okay, we can prevent corrosion, okay, by few methods, like first one by painting, second one by greasing and oiling, next by galvanization. So these are the general methods to prevent corrosion, children. Let's start with the corrosion of copper. Other example, see what happens. Copper objects lose their luster and shine after some time because of the surface of these objects acquire a green coating of basic copper carbonate. Okay, CO3 dot CuOH twice when exposed to air. Okay, so see the equation, children. What is the equation? See what happens whenever copper, okay, react with a CO2 plus O2 and H2O. Okay, it will give you what? A CuCO3 dot CuOH twice. This is the basic copper carbonate, children. Okay, basic copper carbonate. It's a continue, children. Copper plus CO2 plus O2 plus H2O gives rise to CO3 dot CuOH twice. This is what? Hydroxide, right? So this is basic. So basic copper carbonate, which is green color, that you should remember, children. Green coating of basic copper carbonate is obtained on the copper articles. Similarly, corrosion in silver is what? A black coating is obtained. We'll see corrosion of silver metals. The surface of silver metal gets tarnished, okay, because and becomes dull on exposure to air. Okay, due to the formation of coating of black silver sulfide on its surface by action of H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas present in the air. So 2Cu plus H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, gives rise to Ag2S, that is a black, okay, silver sulfide plus H2. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood. We'll practice in the last also. Okay, now let's talk about the rancidity, children. Very, very important, rancidity. What happens? The taste and the odor of food materials containing fat and oil changes when they left exposed to air for a long time. This is called as rancidity. Okay, this is caused due to the oxidation of fat and oil present in food materials. Okay, so we can observe this phenomena in the cooked chickens and muttons. If you keep it outside for few days, the bad smell will start coming out of it. Yes or no? It is nothing but it means the your food has become rancid. It is due to the oxidation of fat and oil. Next, we can prevent this rancidity, children. How? By and adding antioxidant. Okay, first method by using antioxidant. Second one by vacuum packing, means by airtight container. Okay, if container is airtight, so oxidation cannot take place, children. Next, by replacing air by nitrogen. Okay, you can observe this in chips packets, Kurkures, Lays. Okay, so they are flushing with nitrogen gas in the packet. Okay, next, by refrigeration of foodstuffs. See at what happens, children? At low temperature, oxidation can be prevented. Okay, so that's why these are the methods of to prevent rancidity, children. Is it clear? Now we will just practice also corrosion, the equations of corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion and rancidity. Okay. So you can say corrosion in simple words. It is the process of corrosion. But we can say it is the process of destruction of metal surface whenever it is exposed to air, water, moisture, okay, gases, acid, base, salts, etc. Okay. First example, what we taught, iron react with oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, this will come from moist air. It will come from moist air. It will form Fe2O3, Fe2O3 dot XH2O. This is called as hydrated ferric oxide or rust. Hydrated, okay, ferric oxide. Hydrated ferric oxide. Ferric oxide. You can see here iron is 2, so multiply by 2, oxygen 3. Okay, so this is 2 here. So make it even. 3 to the 6. Okay, so you can see here. Here you can take 4. Okay, because 2 to the 4. So hydrogen becomes, sorry, iron becomes 4. Now oxygen 3 to the 6. Let's take multiply by 3, 3 to the 6. Here 2 into x, 2x H2O is there, so you multiply with 2x children. Okay, so this is first example, that is rusting of iron. This is called as rusting of iron. Second example is what? Corrosion in copper. Corrosion in copper. Corrosion in copper. Copper symbol is what? Cu children. Yes or no? So what happens? So copper will react with oxygen plus carbon dioxide plus water. These three things are required for the corrosion of copper. What will happen? Form basic copper carbonate, CuCO3 dot CuOH twice. This is basic copper carbonate. Basic copper carbonate. Basic copper carbonate. Is it clear? Okay, that is which color? It is green color. In rusting of iron, which color it is? It is brown color, children. Okay, and third is what? Corrosion in silver. Corrosion in silver. Corrosion in silver. What happens? Silver articles, Ag. Okay, will react with the H2S, which is present in the atmosphere in very trace amount, children. So it will form Ag2S, silver sulfide plus hydrogen gas. So here black coating is obtained. Black coating of silver sulfide is obtained, which is silver sulfide. Silver sulfide. Silver. Black coating is obtained. Okay. Is it clear, children? Next, we talk about rancidity, children. Rancidity is nothing but the oxidation of oil and fat. Rancidity. It is nothing but the process by which the oil and fats present in the food get oxidized. Okay, because due to which it result in bad smell. So equation we can write, children: oil or fat react with the oxygen. React with the oxygen. Okay, it will give you what? A rancid product. It will give you rancid product. It is nothing but the oxidation of oil and fat, basically. So how can we prevent, children? Methods to prevent rancidity. What we learned? Methods to prevent rancidity. First one is what? By using antioxidant. By using anti-chemicals, preservatives, you can say. Antioxidants. You can remember the example, children, BHA and BHT. Okay, they are the example of antioxidants. Second one is what? By flushing with nitrogen gas. By flushing with nitrogen gas. Okay, especially we are using in chips packet. Okay, so in the presence of nitrogen, oxidation cannot take place. So we can prevent the phenomenon rancidity. Third one, by using refrigerator. By using refrigerator. Okay, at the low temperature, rancidity can be prevented, children. Okay, so you can see many food items, okay, are frozen, okay, deep, and it can be to increase the shelf life of the product. Okay, now next, you can say by airtight container. By airtight container. Right container. So these are the methods how you can prevent the rancidity. I hope you understood this concept, children. Please share with your friends, okay, and subscribe the channel, children. Thank you.